Hey, world language teachers. So if you have not tried a polygraph yet, you might like this. So a polygraph is different from any other Desmos activity that you've probably done. What it does in a polygraph, two students are randomly matched up together. One student chooses an image out of a grid of 16 images. And without giving that away, the other student then is going to randomly ask that other student questions, yes or no questions, to try to figure out which image the student actually selected. And I think this would be an awesome way to approach this in a world language classes because you could practice vocabulary or anything else that you might be working on at that time. So let me show you how to make a polygraph quickly. So I'll go to custom on the left-hand side, and then in the upper right-hand corner of my screen, there will be a new polygraph right below my name. I'll click on new polygraph. And again, since this is going to be about animals, I will call this animals, and I'll start building. Now you're looking at this, you're going, whoa, wait a minute, Steve. This looks like a graph. But what I can do is I can insert my animals by clicking on, or my images, by clicking on that plus sign, going down to the images and selecting my images. And then I don't want the graph to show, so I'm going to click on that show axis and grid. I'll hide those grids. And then I click on the next one by just clicking up there. And now all of the grids are off. So now I'm feeling pretty good about myself. So again, I go to the plus sign, go to the image, and I will grab that cow. And I'll go to the next one, and I'll continue this. And so what I will do is I will pause this video, and I will put in the rest of these images by myself. I think you can kind of follow along, and I'll come back and show you what we do next. So now I'm down to my last image. I do want to show you this. So I've got 15 images in, and suppose I accidentally choose the same image again. So suppose I pick this pig and I press open. What it does, it gives me a warning. It's saying like, man, you've already chosen that image, so pick another one. So I will go back here. I'll delete that out, go to the plus sign, and I'll go back to my image, and I'll choose this little cat. So there are my 16 suspects. Those are my 16 suspects is what they are called. And I'll click over on the details. These are the details if you want to add a description about what is going on. And then I will click on done. And so this is going to be super difficult to describe. So if someone wants to play this, just let me know, and I will share a teacher link. But in the meantime, here's the single session link. I'm going to go ahead, like when I go to view the dashboard, it looks way different than the other dashboard. So if you want to get a couple people together and play this game, this dashboard is live. And so grab another person, you need at least two, and give this a try. I guess what I'm thinking is that you might want to try to, you'll pick one of your images, and the person who's guessing what image you chose is trying to ask you questions in whatever language you're asking them in. So anyway, anything I can do to help, let me know.